Welcome to Monsterverse Official. We will tutorial you guys everything about monsters. I'm NP and today we will show you how to remove watermark at new Cyberlink PowerDirector 17. In order to purchase Cyberlink PowerDirector 17, the new, simple and handy editor, you can purchase it in two ways. First, you can buy it on official site and of course grind up your money. Or you can purchase it quick with a simple trick. Wanna know that trick? Let's find out and get to that. So for today I will show you how to remove it. Now open your Cyberlink app. Go to the timeline mode. So we are at the timeline mode of the Cyberlink PowerDirector 17. Now enter your footage, edit your footage videos like you usually edit it. I will take the example from my previous one. So now I'm done. Usually I'm just copying from the previous one. I'm done with all of my videos editing and now we want to produce it. In the Cyberlink PowerDirector we said produce. In the other maybe we said render, export or anything. So let's go to the produce. So enter the produce site. Now we will go to the I will show you how to standard 2D format of the Cyberlink. Just for information, this tutorial is not just a watermark. I will show you how to standard using it. So the first you use a H264 AVC. Why don't we use a H265 HEVC? Because it's still new, it's still a bug. Okay, we use a H264 like a Premiere Pro, like maybe the other editors. And then file extension MP4, profile name, quality, whatever you want, country, wherever you live. This is my brother's, and export folders. Underground is my brother's. The other one, it's up to you. You want to export it to which folder. And then if you press start, be careful at this. If you press start now, the warning will appear and the watermark appear too. So if you see this watermark, you cannot do anything. You just press OK or maybe exit. If you press OK, boom, the watermark still in there. So this is your problem, right? So cancel rendering. So now we are back to the edit side. Now follow my step to remove that watermark. It's easy, it's easy. Look at my mouse now, it's at the edit. Okay, so follow my mouse, okay? I don't want you to lose it. Follow my mouse gently. Now go to here. From here, you just right click on whatever you want at, preferably at this room. You right click and there, and then enable select track only. And then you just select the track that you want to produce. Mine is the first timeline effects. I don't have effects. The second timeline, the third timeline, and the sound. I have a sound here, but it disappears somehow. And then cross check it if you have anything. Nope. If you have anything again underneath, you just check this that you have a footage at the timeline. If you're done, go to the produce site again. The export folder, press start. The same warning like before will appear, and then you just press OK or exit. Okay, the watermark will not appear. Your video is producing, and now there is no need to worry about that. I will show you my Cyberlink edit in behind the scenes of my brother's film. So check it out. Don't forget to like and share it to your friends or family. who want to start editing. Also, don't forget to subscribe for my simple tutorial like this. Also follow our Instagram at Nexus Search, link in description box down below. And check the post-credit scene or next episode preview for facts, the last segment of this channel. Maybe the current opening I can say. So thank you for watching. See ya.